Hi everyone, today we're diving into a captivating collection of 50 awe-inspiring geography facts that will expand your horizons and ignite your curiosity. This video is sure to enlighten and inspire. So let's start this global adventure.
Number 1.
Earth's hidden water. Did you know that there's more fresh water hidden beneath the Earth's surface than in all the rivers and lakes combined? Groundwater accounts for about 30% of the world's fresh water, making it a crucial source for drinking and agriculture.
Number 2.
The moving mountains. Did you know that the Himalayas mountain range is still growing? According to the Geological Society, the Himalayas are still rising by more than 1 centimeter per year. This is due to the ongoing collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates. However, erosion forces are simultaneously working to lower the mountains at a similar rate.
Number 3.
The island of eternal spring. Did you know that Tenerife, one of Spain's Canary Islands, is often called the island of eternal spring? Tenerife is often given this nickname due to its unique geographical location, which ensures a pleasant warm weather with moderate temperatures all year round.
Number 4.
The Great Wall from Space myth. Did you know that contrary to popular belief, the Great Wall of China is not visible from space with the naked eye? According to astronauts, the Great Wall of China is only visible sometimes from low orbit and the International Space Station. Because of its coloration, narrow structure, and pollution, it is not visible with the naked eye.
Number 5.
The Everchanging Sahara. Did you know that the Sahara Desert is not just hot and dry, but it's also growing? According to the USA National Science Foundation, a new study finds that the Sahara Desert grew by 10% since 1920. As the desert expands southwards, it encroaches on the Sahel region in Africa.
Number 6.
The deepest point in the oceans. Did you know that the Challenger Deep is the deepest known point of the seabed and is deeper than how Mount Everest is tall? Located in the Mariana Trench, the Challenger Deep reaches depths of about 10,935 meters, or 35,876 feet. This depth is deeper than the height of Mount Everest above sea level.
Number 7.
The world's flattest continent. Did you know that Australia is the flattest continent in the world? Australia is positioned near the center of a tectonic plate where there are no volcanic or other geologic forces to raise its topography. Its low average elevation is about 300 meters, or less than 1,000 feet.
Number 8.
The longevity of the Namib Desert. Did you know that the Namib Desert in southwestern Africa may be the world's oldest desert? The name Namib comes from the local Nama language and means an area where there is nothing. Having endured more than 55 million years of arid and semi-arid conditions, the desert contains some of the driest regions on Earth and may be considered the oldest.
Number 9.
The Earth's magnetic north wanders. Did you know that the magnetic North Pole isn't fixed, but it moves over time? The magnetic North Pole is not like the fixed geographic North Pole. It primarily shows the direction that a compass needle aligns with when you're navigating. So it is constantly shifting, moving several kilometers each year because of the changes in the molten core of the Earth. This drift can affect navigation systems, technology, and even wildlife, as some animals use the Earth's magnetic field to guide their migrations. Airplanes and ships depend on magnetic readings for safe travel.
Number 10.
The unique Lake of Palau. Did you know that Jellyfish Lake in Palau is home to millions of jellyfish? Millions of jellyfish have evolved in Jellyfish Lake without stingers, so they have no natural predators. The golden jellyfish, also known as Mastigias papua, is a unique subspecies found only in Jellyfish Lake.
Number 11.
The underground city of Cappadocia. Did you know that the region of Cappadocia is famous for its vast ancient underground cities? Located in central Anatolia, Turkey, there are about 200 underground cities, settlements, and cave complexes in Cappadocia. But the exact number is unknown, as more are being discovered every year. These underground cities are connected by tunnels and passageways. They were built by the Phrygians in the 7th and 8th centuries BCE as hiding places from invading forces.
Number 12.
The salty Dead Sea. Did you know that the Dead Sea is one of the saltiest bodies of water in the world? With a salinity of about 34%, the Dead Sea is 8 times saltier than the average ocean. The salinity makes it too salty for most organisms to survive, except for some bacteria and fungi.
Number 13.
The river that boils. Did you know that there is a place located in the Peruvian Amazon where water can reach up to 93 degrees Celsius or 199 degrees Fahrenheit? The Shunei Timpishka, also known as the Boiling River, is located in the central Peruvian Amazon. Its waters can reach up to 93 degrees Celsius or 199 degrees Fahrenheit due to geothermal heat, making it a deadly place for unwary animals.
Number 14.
The world's smallest mountain. Did you know that Australia holds the title for the smallest mountain in the world? Standing at just 148 meters or 486 feet above sea level, Mount Wishproof is located in the town of Wishproof, Victoria, Australia. It is considered the smallest mountain in the world according to most sources.
Number 15.
The city built on water. Did you know that Venice is built on over 100 small islands in a lagoon? Built on a network of canals and connected by over 400 bridges, Venice, Italy is situated on a group of 118 islands in the Venetian lagoon. The city's waterways are supported by stone and brick foundations.
Number 16.
The mysterious Moeraki boulders. Did you know that there are mysteriously large round boulders scattered across a beach in New Zealand? Scientists believe that the Moeraki boulders are calcite concretions formed over 65 million years ago, with each one weighing several tons and is up to 2 meters high.
Number 17.
The blood falls. Did you know that in Antarctica, there is a waterfall that appears to bleed? The red hue of the blood falls is due to iron-rich salt water oxidizing in the air and giving it a blood-like appearance.
Number 18.
The city of two continents. Did you know that Istanbul, Turkey, is the only city in the world that spans two continents? The unique geographic location of Istanbul allows it to be a part of both Europe and Asia, making it a cultural crossroads between the two regions. The separating body of water between the two continents is the Bosphorus Strait.
Number 19.
The lightning capital. Did you know that Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela experiences more lightning than anywhere else on Earth? Lake Maracaibo experiences a phenomenon called Catatumbo lightning where the area around the lake can see hundreds of lightning strikes per square kilometer each year. The combination of warm Caribbean air meeting cool Andean air over the lake creates conditions ideal for frequent lightning storms.
Number 20.
The world's most remote island. Did you know that Bouvet Island is considered the most remote island in the world? Located in the South Atlantic Ocean, Bouvet Island is 1,000 miles from the nearest landmass Antarctica. According to Wikipedia, the island is an uninhabited Norwegian territory widely considered the most remote island in the world.
Number 21.
The Alaskan Glacier of Sound. Did you know that Hubbard Glacier is the largest tidewater glacier in North America? In Alaska, the Hubbard Glacier is known for its impressive calving, where massive chunks of ice break off into the ocean. Also known as the Galloping Glacier, the Hubbard is advancing quickly toward the Gulf of Alaska.
Number 22.
The Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Did you know that there is a colossal collection of marine debris in the North Pacific Ocean? Located between Hawaii and California, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is estimated to cover 1.6 million square kilometers, which is about the distance between the west coast of North America and Japan.
Number 23.
The Whispering Sand Dunes. Did you know that in some deserts you can find singing sand dunes? In some deserts like the Namib and the Sahara, dunes produce mysterious humming or singing sounds as the sand moves, a phenomenon caused by the friction between sand grains.
Number 24.
The floating island of Uros. Did you know that the Uros people live on floating islands made from reeds? On Lake Titicaca, between Bolivia and Peru, the Uros people live on floating islands that are constantly rebuilt and maintained, showcasing a unique way of life adapted to lake conditions.
Number 25.
The Island of Cats. Did you know that Aoshima Island in Japan is known as Cat Island? The large feline population on Aoshima Island outnumbers humans by about 6 to 1. The cats were originally brought to control mice on fishing boats, and they now roam freely, delighting visitors.
Number 26.
The moving rocks of Racetrack Playa. Did you know that in Death Valley, California, mysterious rocks move across the desert floor, leaving long trails behind them? Scientists believe this movement is due to a rare combination of ice, rain, and wind, which allows the rocks to glide across the muddy surface.
Number 27.
The Cave of Crystals. Did you know that Mexico's Nica mine is home to the Cave of Crystals? Mexico's Nica mine contains some of the largest natural crystals ever discovered. These gypsum crystals can reach lengths of up to 12 meters or 39 feet.
Number 28.
The Underground River. Did you know that the Puerto Princesa subterranean river in the Philippines is one of the longest underground rivers in the world? The Puerto Princesa subterranean river flows directly into the sea, showcasing unique geological formations and a diverse ecosystem above and below ground.
Number 29.
The Pink Lake. Did you know that Lake Hillier in Australia is famous for its vibrant pink color? Lake Hillier's vibrant pink color is caused by specific algae and bacteria that thrive in the salty water. Despite its unusual hue, the lake is safe for swimming, offering a unique, visually striking experience.
Number 30.
The Iceberg Alley. Did you know that Iceberg Alley consists of massive iceberg remnants from ancient glaciers? Off the coast of Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada, Iceberg Alley is a spectacular site where massive icebergs drift south from the Arctic. These icebergs offer a glimpse into Earth's glacial past.
Number 31.
The gravity-defying waterfall. Did you know that Devil's Kettle Waterfall in Minnesota, USA, splits into two? Devil's Kettle Waterfall splits into two, with one side flowing normally and the other disappearing into a mysterious hole. The destination of this water remains largely unknown, baffling scientists and visitors alike.
Number 32.
The mysterious fairy circles. Did you know that perfectly circular patches known as fairy circles dab the landscape in the desert of Namibia? Devoid of vegetation, the origin of these circular patches is still debated, with theories ranging from termite activity to plant competition.
Number 33.
The underwater waterfall illusion. Did you know that an underwater waterfall illusion is created by sand and silt off the coast of Mauritius? The sand and debris from the underwater waterfall cascade down a slope off the continental shelf. This optical illusion is a dramatic display of nature's artistry.
Number 34.
Red crab migration. Did you know that on Christmas Island millions of red crabs migrate from the forest to the ocean to breed? The migration of red crabs on Christmas Island turns the island into a sea of red. This natural spectacle is one of the most impressive animal migrations on the planet.
Number 35.
The Great Blue Hole. Did you know that the Great Blue Hole located off the coast of Belize is a giant marine sinkhole? The Great Blue Hole is famous for its crystal clear water and diverse marine life. It's a popular diving site offering a glimpse into underwater caves and ecosystems.
Number 36.
The hidden beach of Maretta Islands. Did you know that Mexico's Maretta Islands feature a hidden beach? Surrounded by rocks and lush vegetation, this hidden beach, called Playa del Amor, also known as Playa Escondida, is a small secluded bay only accessible by a water tunnel at low tide.
Number 37.
The midnight sun. Did you know that in parts of the Arctic and Antarctic circles the sun doesn't set for several weeks during summer? The midnight sun, also known as polar day or nightless night, is a natural phenomenon where the sun remains visible above the horizon even at midnight. This means the sun never sets for a period of time due to the Earth's tilt on its axis. This phenomenon affects local wildlife and human activities.
Number 38.
The incredible Wave Rock. Did you know that Wave Rock in Western Australia is a natural rock formation resembling a giant ocean wave? Wave Rock is a curved cliff face that looks like a giant wave ready to break. It is about 110 meters long and rises to about 15 meters high. This large erosional remnant remains a stunning geological wonder.
Number 39.
The haunting Skeleton Coast. Did you know that Namibia's Skeleton Coast is known for its eerie, fog-laden beaches scattered with shipwrecks and whale bones? The Skeleton Coast is a remote and desolate stretch of coastline located on the Atlantic coast of Namibia. The area got its name from the shipwrecks and whale and seal bones that litter the shore. The indigenous Sand people called it the land god made in anger. Portuguese sailors called it the gates of hell.
Number 40.
The dragon blood trees. Did you know that on the island of Socotra, Yemen, dragon blood trees produce a red sap resembling dragon's blood? Dracaena cinnamomum trees are known for their deep red sap, which is sometimes called dragon's blood. The trees have an umbrella-shaped canopy which helps limit evaporation. They have waxy leaves that help them survive in dry, arid conditions and can grow to over 30 feet tall.
Number 41.
The Blue Grotto. Did you know that the Blue Grotto located in Capri, Italy, is a sea cave illuminated by an ethereal blue light? The ethereal blue light is created by sunlight passing through an underwater cavity and reflecting off the cave walls and the water. It gives a stunning azure glow.
Number 42.
The world's largest lava lake. Did you know that the world's largest lava lake is located in the Democratic Republic of the Congo? Mount Nyiragongo crater is home to the world's largest lava lake, which has a diameter of approximately 2 kilometers. This lava lake has been active since 1971 and is one of the world's most active and deadly volcanoes.
Number 43.
The Salt Cathedral of Zipacira. Did you know that the Salt Cathedral of Zipacira is an underground church carved into a salt mine? Located in Colombia, the Salt Cathedral of Zipacira is a Roman Catholic church, built almost 200 meters underground. It's located in an old salt mine and features intricate salt carvings and a serene atmosphere deep within the earth. It is a breathtaking example of architecture and faith.
Number 44.
The sunken forest of Lake Kandy. Did you know that Lake Kandy in Kazakhstan features a sunken forest with tree trunks rising eerily from the water? Lake Kandy was formed by an earthquake, and the forest is made up of submerged spruce trees that rise above the water's surface. The submerged trees create a hauntingly beautiful underwater landscape.
Number 45.
The mysterious stone spheres of Costa Rica. Did you know that hundreds of stone spheres have been discovered in Costa Rica, with their origin remaining a mystery? The stone spheres were discovered in the Diquis Valley in the 1930s, with some weighing up to 15 tons. Created by ancient indigenous people who carved them from boulders, the spheres were then transported to their final resting places, where they were often arranged in alignments. Their exact age is unknown.
Number 46.
The Starry Desert of Namibia. Did you know that the Namib Desert is one of the best places in the world for stargazing? The Namib Desert in Namibia is considered one of the best places in the world for stargazing due to its extremely dark skies, minimal light pollution, and designation as an International Dark Sky Reserve by the International Dark Sky Association. These factors make it a prime location for clear views of stars and galaxies.
Number 47.
The living bridges of Meghalaya. Did you know that in the Indian state of Meghalaya, locals have created living root bridges from the aerial roots of rubber trees? The living root bridges of Meghalaya are suspension bridges made from the roots of rubber trees. They are scattered across more than 70 villages in southern Meghalaya, serving as a sustainable way to cross streams and inhospitable terrain. The bridges were included in a list of tentative UNESCO World Heritage Sites in 2022.
Number 48.
The Valley of the Moon. Did you know that the Valley of the Moon in the Atacama Desert in Chile resembles a lunar landscape? Valle de la Luna, or Valley of the Moon, is known for its unique rock formations, dry lakes, and wind and water-sculpted canyons which make it look like the surface of the moon. The valley's sunsets are legendary, with the sky changing from pink to purple and finally black.
Number 49.
Damnon Saduik Floating Market. Did you know that the Damnon Saduik Floating Market in Thailand is a vibrant hub of commerce conducted entirely on boats? The Damnon Saduik Floating Market in Ratchaburi Province is one of the largest and most famous floating markets in Thailand. The market is a maze of narrow canals called klongs. Hundreds of vendors sell agricultural products, local food, handicrafts, and souvenirs from small boats. Long-tailed boats and sampans ferry visitors and vendors across the canals.
Number 50.
The Bobab Trees. Did you know that Africa's baobab trees can live for thousands of years and store large amounts of water in their trunks? Africa's baobab trees are often called upside-down trees, and they play a crucial role in their ecosystems, providing resources for numerous species. The trees store water in their trunks and branches during the rainy season to survive years of drought. Large Baobab trees can store up to 140,000 liters of water. That's a wrap, folks. As we conclude our incredible journey through 50 awe-inspiring geography facts, we hope you've gained a new appreciation for the remarkable diversity and wonder of our planet. We hope this video has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to delve deeper into the amazing world of geography. Remember, there's always more to learn and discover. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep celebrating the awe-inspiring planet we call home. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow geography enthusiasts. Until next time, keep your sense of wonder alive and continue to explore the incredible world around you.